Yeah. Hello, 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 hello. Where is my phone? Oh God, where did I put my phone? I can find where I put my phone. I'm sorry. Yeah, I found it. Okay. I'm sorry. Sorry, please. Yeah, I am back. Yeah, find my phone. Hello. Keduku numere. How are you all doing? Are you all doing great? Are you all doing okay? Perfect. This is me. Ifi Omubiko. Everything okay? Good morning, good afternoon, good evening, depending on your location, depending on your time zone. Yeah. I said I'm going to come out today. So here I am. Here I am. Yes. Here I am. Where am I? Those that still loves me. That say, Brother Bifi, we love you. That says, Brother Bifi, we love you. I have so many people that loves me. I'm telling you. You can't imagine it. I have people that loves me. I have people that is supporting me. I have people that view my, share my programs. I have people that view and do everything I have. So you see, some of them say, yeah, that mapugogi. Some of them say, amapugogi. Say, okay, now. I am here because I know that there are a lot of people that still want to be seeing my beautiful face, There are a lot of people that want to hear me talk and they are missing me and they are not happy that they are missing me. So you see I can't go away. You see, I can't go away because of that. I can't go away. Who is that one? He's calling me Camelon. Okay, Omar Chris. These are the people. What am I going to call that one now? What am I going to call that one? We go to Diego. Mana, everybody couldn't they push you down. You got to go when they did tough, mentally tough. I am one of them. Mentally toughness. I am. So I am not. I am built for this. So the more on myself, the more na put they cook. Hi, it is well. We are fighting for freedom. Even when we say we don't want to say anything, we don't want to fight for freedom, we don't do nothing. But because of the love, because of Ifodania, because of the care, because of whatever, we are still here. It's not easy. The spirit will never let go. I wish it will let go because it's not easy at all. It's not easy. Oba Chris, why am I Camelon now? He's calling me a Camelon. What makes me a Camelon? I need to know. Because you guys don't like the truth, but I am here to be telling you the truth. I don't give a damn. I don't care. That is who I am. See at this program coming. And before I proceed, can I play this song, please? Very nice one. I like it. Obigwe, play for me. Otu a ka ọ dị.
Otu a ka Jehova gwara m n'abụ ọma isi abụọ nke asaa. O ji oke ọnụ mmanụ wee tinyekwu nke ya n'ọnụ m. Jeremaya isi mbụ nke itenaanị. N'ihi ya, ihe ozizi ọma apụghị ime n'ihi na ọ bụ ike Chineke mere nzọpụta nye onye ọbụla nke kwere. onye isi eme ga-esite n'okwukwe dị ndụ. Ee, dị ndụ abụọ nwa. Amara m nke a na ndị Rom isi mbụ amaokwu 16 na 17. Agaghị m anwụ
Mbanụ.
kama m ga na-adị ndụ wee na-ekwupụta na Chineke dị mma.
Otu a.
Amakwara m na Jehova onye bidoro ezi ọrụ a n'ime m ga-arụ ya ruo ọgwụgwụ. Ọ dịghị ihe ga-egbochi ya. Baịbụl m gwara m na Chineke anyị ga-emezuru ya ebumnobi ya n'ime ndụ m. Ọ dịghị ọbụla pụrụ igbochi ya. Okwukwe Jizọs onye nọ n'ime m, ọ bịara ka o wela ike niile nke ọchịchịrị n'iyi. Okwu na-ekwu bụ nke Jehova.
Obodo gị n'agha. Obodo gị n'agha. Now I'm going to start. Hello, how are you all doing? This is me again. Yes. I am here because I need to, come out. I need to come out online. I need to talk. I need to tell my people, my Biafrans, the genuine ones, they need to see me. They need to hear from me, because if they don't know, if they don't hear from me, they don't know what is happening. I know they always want to. It's what I mean if you bringing a breaking news. Yes. So we don't drinking one, we don't drinking one. That's Sammy. We don't drinking my brother. One day, Sammy. We don't drinking. Because not getting someone very much in charge of. I don't know. You go ask him. He knows. I don't know that. So it's not my business. Why did you guys deceive people that Simon Berman is in charge? But together, you guys didn't know Simon Berman really was on the mission to destroy. I don't want to talk about that. So today I just want to clear some little air, clear air, because all this while I was on holiday, and not holiday, I was working then, and I go on holiday when all the whole thing was going on, and I had all this play thing that they are talking about, Sukachas Wanko, Simon Epa, whatever, all those things, arrogant and pride people. Arrogant and pride people succumb to praise. That is what happened to Azoka Chaswanko. She was so arrogant and pride. That's what happened to her. She was so arrogant, she couldn't listen. Even when I was warning her that this is not going to end well, she didn't want to listen. But I just want to say that I was not pleased with the way they handle things. I was not pleased at all. I was not pleased. How? Why? Recently, I found out that before they sacked Azoka Chaswanko, that he was given a fair hearing. He was given a fair hearing. But when they sack me, when they sack three of Umada plus me, we were not given a fair hearing. That was really wrong. That was injustice. That was injustice. She was given a fair hearing. She was called to the Biafra Republic of whatever Simon has, put together, and they were asking her questions. But during my own time, during the time of other ones, it's only Simon, it's only Azuka Chaswanko, it's only the three Umadas, the four Umadas that were licking Azuka's nyash, licking her bumbo. They were the one there. Then one guy called Success. And I was really, really upset that this is not fair. This is not fair. I am not saying this because I want to come back to autopilot, no. But I said that injustice done is an injustice to one, is an injustice to all. when this thing was going on, I said to them, why can't we have a body that can hear and listen to us and see what the complaints what we are complaining about? No, they don't want, they sweep it under the carpet. They don't want anybody to know about it, you know. And I was like, what is going on here? Why did they why what is happening here? So I am so kind of pleased right now. I'm not that happy, but I am that the body that Simon set up, which is called Biafra government, whatever he did set up for his autopilot, that they have to sit up and say to Simon, Simon, you have to listen to us. You have to listen to what we were saying to you now. This is no longer Omar that thing. This is us now, the Biafrans, the people that you are saying you are ruling, you are leading. We are telling you now that Azuka Charles Nwankwo account has to be, we don't need her to be in charge of this account again. We don't want her husband to be in charge of this account again, autopilot account. But me, when we were saying that to Simon, he didn't want to listen to us because maybe he thought we are women, we don't care, he doesn't want to, or because Azuka Charles Nwankwo is manipulating him. Azuka Charles Nwankwo is influencing him. He doesn't want to do what we are saying there, you know. But this time around, those that are the body that he set up now are not saying to him, Simon, you have to do it our way. You have to do it our way. You have to. Azuka Charles Nwankwo, because I remember telling Simon, I say, Azuka Charles Nwankwo husband should be out of that account. He's not a woman, he's a man. He can't be no matter how can a man be in an account that is run by a woman? This is not right. I remember saying that to him, and he said, Madam Ifi, let's not go there. But today, I am happy at least. You see, when they were calling me and saying, many of them were coming out and be shouting that some of them say, they're going to deal with themselves, not me. Oh, do you want to spoil what we are doing? I say, you guys are going nowhere with what is happening over there. You guys are going nowhere. When they were shouting and when they were saying, Madam, if you want to spoil everything, you are not this. I said, I was just laughing at them because they don't know what they don't know that I am. They don't know what I'm doing, the reason why I'm doing it. And I'm so pleased. I'm so happy that that Simon decided to take that step. He did by coming out to mention my name and other people's name. Because if he didn't do it, the Biafrans, we never realize that something like that is going on. They will not. Everything will be like, it's normal. But he did that and he came out and he mentioned my name. And then after 2 or 3 times he mentioned my name, I was quiet. Somebody was saying, recently I saw a post, he was posting something about it. Well, I know he's talking about me. And he said some of whom other that were suspended, they never came out to say anything. But do you know that I was suspended for 6 months? 6 months we were suspended. We never came out. We are coming out to do normal thing. We never said anything about what happened. We never did. We were coming out to do our own thing. We never came out to talk about Simon or say anything. No, we didn't. Then, do you know what happened? Going to 6 months, when the 6 months it was elapsing, when the 6 months was coming to an end, do you know what happened? Instead of Azuka Charles Nwankwo, because he thought we are going to come back, and he doesn't. Yes, I'm alive, and he thought we are going to come back to start giving her telling her to do the right thing. So when she now told his boy, because Simon was his boy. That was what I called him, because if he's a man, he knows what he's supposed to do. He now called his boy and say, go and just do, I don't want these people any longer. Let them just go. Finally, let them go. It's 6 months as over. Let them go. And we don't want them anymore. We don't want them. So he decided to come out and did what she told him to do. Today, what is going on? You see, the right people that understand that what I was saying, that what we were saying, that we are making sense, that it shouldn't happen at all. Azuka Charles Nwankwo came to this struggle just for her own benefit. She's so arrogant, so arrogant and pride, so arrogant and so she's so her proudness is unbelievable. She doesn't want anybody to say or do anything. If you try that, you are in trouble. She'll be shouting at women as if we are her children. And all these things, like, I said, are people really knowing what we are talking about? So does it mean they don't care that this woman and her husband is in their account and they don't care? And when I came out to be saying it, they say it doesn't matter, Madam Ifi. And then where did it lead you all to? Nothing. You didn't achieve anything all this while, did you? No, you didn't. All those months, you didn't achieve anything? You didn't. Where is all the money going? Did you know? No, you don't know. What is happening to all those money? Did you know what happened? Even Simon himself went and told the ESN people that they're owing Azuka money. They're owing Azuka. He told them that the Azuka is bringing money, they're owing Azuka. So you guys are still owing Azuka money. Maybe the money that he's collecting is the money that he's collecting, and he's now giving it to you, because that is what they do. I remember Nelly saying something like that. She will make a vow, but they will not pay the vow back. They will not give it, they will not pay it. They will take the money from the money and say they have paid their vow. But you guys are just being sheepishly, stupidly following these people. What is even wrong with our people? When somebody comes out to say something, listen to the person. Don't come out and start saying, you are envy of this, you are jealousy of this person. No, that is not it. I would never come out to be saying I'm envy of. Why would I be envy of somebody? Whereas I know what I'm saying is something that will move the struggle forward. If genuinely you guys are fighting the struggle genuinely. But no, you guys never did. You don't want to. Or you hear whatever they call somebody and say this person is this, and you carry it all. It's very wrong. I know some of our people, some of those in autopilot. I'm still online. Those in autopilot, some of them said, Madam, if we are not going to attack you, Madam, if you are not going to come out and start saying things about you, no. But we don't want you to talk about it. Or we don't want, just leave it, Madam, if you leave it. Don't say it. I said, why will I even be quiet? Why will I even be quiet and not to talk about what I know that something is going on wrong? Is that how you guys behave? Oh my goodness. I said, is that how you guys behave? That is not how I behave. That is not, I cannot be quiet and let things be the way they are going. He said, it's not right. Don't talk about it. How can we be this way, that we see something going on or wrong and we don't talk about it and we are quiet? What is that? Is that the kind of Biafra we want to get into? And how do we even know that we are going to achieve our Biafra with this mentality if we are continue to be quiet and things are spoiling? Is it right? No, this is not it. This is not right. So as it stands, so that I was like, I'm telling you, I was like, oh God, this is very bad. I can't believe all those medias. Look at that one. Look at all of them knew about all this. I told Simon about Azuka Chaswanko. I said, this is very wrong. Azuka cannot be managing the money, cannot be a leader of Uma. Her husband, his name is in the secret. This is very wrong. And then I told Simon, I said, Azuka, Gaddafi also contributed a lot of what happened. Gaddafi is not sincere in any form at all. The next thing Simon did was to appoint Gaddafi. After all the whole thing he knew about Gaddafi, he now went and appointed Gaddafi as police, whatever. I was shaking my head. I said, are these people really serious of what they're doing? Did these people really want freedom? Did these people really know what they're doing about? I was like, are Simon sure what he's doing? How could he even go ahead and appoint Gaddafi as a commissioner of, or say, no, Department of Police, whatever, head of whatever? I was shaking my head. I said, hey, God have mercy. How could even a woman, this woman is a defense minister, this woman is a finance minister, this woman's husband is a minister, then recently, when did he even appointed Azuka husband as he's a whatever secretary of whatever? I said, oh my God, this is crazy. This is really getting crazy. Is this what freedom is all about? I said, oh my goodness, this is so bad. I couldn't believe all these things. I couldn't believe that this is what is going on, and then all his media, all his zombies started attacking me and started saying, oh, many. Now they are off quiet. Now they have said, oh, Madam Ifi told us so. Madam Ifi was saying this, so Azuka is like this. So Azuka is like this. Oh, Madam Ifi was saying all these things, so Azuka is like this. So now you guys know the kind of person you guys are dealing with, that arrogant woman, so pride. So guys, I haven't seen a woman like this. God forbid. I have never seen somebody like this. She wants everything to be her way. Whatever, it has to be her way. If it's not her way, it's not going to go. If it's not Azuka's just one way, never, it's not going to work out. Yeah, Gaddafi have problem with Simon. Even Gaddafi was saying so many things about Mazin Nandekan. I told Simon about what Gaddafi said about Mazin Nandekan. I told Simon. And I was so, even somebody called, I was telling me that Gaddafi is like this, and we should be very careful. I told that to Simon. And then he didn't even want to. I don't know whether I can understand what is wrong with him, that he say he has a mirror, or he says that, which mirror does he even have? Mirror to see what? What is he see with mirror? What? What mirror does he have? What mirror? Oh, maybe when he's, all happens in world where no look that something is wrong. Because he doesn't want to listen to people. He doesn't want to. He thought he knows it all. And it's so bad of him to be doing that. So bad. I can understand what kind of a person he is at all, at all. When he wants to say, he said, what you don't know is bigger than you. We don't stop saying those words, because we know a lot. We are not stupid, unless people that are very stupid that will listen to that story of yours, what you don't know is bigger than you. I told him so many things. I wasn't here to destroy what you guys are doing. I was here with all my heart to fight for freedom. I was here to do everything, support and do whatever we need to support. Then at the end of all these things, what happened now? What happened? How did it now become to fight Azuka? He's all and all that he's praising. And because I remember he wanted to dissolve that Umada then. I told him, I said, is it better for you to dissolve it? Just dissolve it. Let everybody go. He said, yes, it's better for him to dissolve it. Then we went to a meeting that I thought he's going to dissolve the Umada that day. When we went to that meeting, God thought Simon become a different person. I was like, what am I hearing again? What is going on here? Oh, God, I can't be part of these people. I said, I can't. I'm tired. I need to go away. It is not today. I wanted to go out from them for long. It was even Simon that said, you are going nowhere. I was even saying, I'm tired of these people. They don't, what is all this all about? Now, where will I even start? And all these things were going on. But well, now that he created his own people that is managing the money, the way it's supposed to be done, I wish them well. Because you cannot have a husband in account of Umada. You said you are a woman, then you have a husband as a signatory. And what are you doing with all the whole money? Then the men are complaining, they are crying. She will come out. If I play audio where she was talking to one, like if that one is some people that are in the bushes that are suffering, you are talking to them anyhow. You are telling them, you speak to them as if you look at them as if they're nothing, like Azuka Chaswanko. And there was time he refused to give them money. Simon was saying, Azuka, you have to give them money. Azuka should send money. I said, okay. He said he will send it. And Simon would tell him to do it, but she doesn't want to. Then what will Simon do? I don't know whether he's holding whatever he's doing with him. I don't know. That one will come out and be boasting and be saying that he has mirror. He's very powerful. I can understand the kind of powerful and very mirror that Simon says he has. Mirror that he cannot see something that he needs to destroy whatever he says he's doing, and he cannot see that this thing is wrong. Even when he comes to us, he will say, this thing is wrong. Then go and face it. He won't face it. Then what is going on with you? What? I was like, God Almighty, Jehovah God, is this the struggle they say they are fighting, or are they here just to be more, just to be Azuka will pay people to be singing for her? She does. She paid people. She go and pay all these musicians, all these songs you see they're releasing. She's paying them money to be singing and praising her. So arrogant. She pays them money to be praising and singing for her. And remember that one time she was singing and praising, and Rose was angry. Rose wanted her name and whatever, something. Rose went and asked the guy, whatever. It's just so many stories about this woman. No. Don't tell me that. Don't. Simon has no. That is wrong. You don't tell me Simon is great guy, so has time to do things. No. I'll call you back. Doesn't have time to do nothing. He's not telling me that. That is confusion. It's just manipulation. It's just that word. He's just seeing that. He's just using that to be deceiving our people. And I don't like it. Because if he knows that something is wrong, you have to put your leg on the ground, or when you notice that, and put it and fix it, so that this thing it will not be escalating. No, don't tell me he knows what he's doing. He doesn't. Don't tell me that, please. I don't want to hear that word. If not, If not the people that he now put together, maybe they told him that if we continue to be giving you this money, we have to know what is going to, and we have to change this account that Azuka have just one husband is in, and we have to know what how the expenditure and the expenses and incoming of this money that is coming. If not, maybe Simon could have done it. Stop it. He could have done it. Don't tell me that he knows what he's doing. Why does he know what he's doing? But he's taking months for him to fix things. Is it right? Why wouldn't he fix things when he noticed that there's something wrong? He will say he will fix it. He won't fix it. What is going on? Why? If you say you fix things. If you promise people that you will do something, do it. He knows. I'm not saying that Tamon was a bad guy. He was a nice person. I'm saying it the way it is. I'm not going to say he was a bad guy that time. But he was not fixing things at all. He was not doing what he's supposed to be doing. He was not. He was not. That is very bad. He was not fixing things. You said him, tell him, do these things right, do the things, do it well. No, he cannot do it. He will say he will come to do it, but he can't do it. What is going on with him? Now, some people we are saying they have been praying for Azuka, they have been praying and praying. Look at Adadorama, that woman. Oh my goodness. Oh God, that one is another different woman, another person that can lie. He can lie. That the lies that comes out from that woman is terrible. Terrible lies. I'm not telling him what to do. I'm advising. Nobody tells him what to do. You see, even if he's a leader, you have to listen to the people that he's leading. That is how it's done. Shut up. What do you mean? You're telling him, and so who is telling him what to do? Will people not advise him and tell him this thing is wrong? How can he do no? Will he only one person knows what is going on everywhere? No, he needs people that will tell him that this is what is happening, this is what's happening, do it this way, let us do it this way. No, it's not, I'm not commanding him. I don't command him. He knows it. He knows I don't command him. He knows I will not command him to do. I always tell him, someone, look at this thing, look into this. No, that is not command. I don't command him. You see? Yeah. So you see, all this is not what it's supposed to be. And that woman now was shouting and telling, just lying. That woman can lie. That woman has no truth. That woman has no truth in her. If that woman was praising, she was praising Azuka because, praising Azuka, calling her honorable. And that woman, that Azuka, if you call her, you do not call her honorable, you are in trouble. She will say, can you address me with honorable? As if I don't even know where she got that honorable from. I don't know. I don't know where that honorable is coming from. I don't even know. These people say they live in Europe, but they don't behave. They don't behave as some people that live in Europe. They don't behave as people that live in Western world. They don't behave as people that live in America. They don't. When I look at them, I say, are these people, is it not the same mentality that we carry from Africa? After staying how many years in Europe, they cannot even change their behavior, change their ways. You see them, the same thing they're doing. That one will tell you that you have to call her honorable. The same mentality that they carried in Nigeria to come to Europe. What is the post that Azuka has hold that she wants people to be calling her honorable? I don't know. Even the people that hold a post that demand honorable, they don't even care. Those that live in Europe, they don't care about honorable, about whatever, they don't care. I am going to take you out if you are not careful. Obiora, you're a blockhead, so I'm taking you out. Do you understand? I am taking you out. I don't want you to come here to talk again. You're a blockhead. I don't need blockhead people on my program. You go and meet the people that, like Adadorama, people like you. Go there and go and be praising her. Don't come to me. I'm not a person like you. So I'm blocking you. Block you, get away. I don't need you. So what am I talking about? What post did Azuka just want to hold that if she wants you to call her honorable, if you don't address her as honorable, she will not answer you. That is what I said, pride, arrogance. Yeah? If you don't praise them, if they don't praise, the praises has entered her head and she become like she's not whatever. Nobody say anything to her. Nobody say, if you try it, you're in trouble. Who is she? Because she's all up there. What a shameful people. I can never believe that this struggle is like this. I was like, what am I seeing? What am I hearing? What is going on here? What is happening? So I kind of like said, that one now came out. It's not talking about Azuka. That's Adadorama. I said it. I said, hey, I am going to be here. Adadorama. I will be here and I will see you come to talk about Azuka. Is it not happen? Is it not happening? Has she not come now to be saying all manner of things about Azuka Chasuwanko? The one she Azuka done and the one Azuka didn't do, she's not putting it on her. Is she not now enemy of Azuka Chasuwanko? She was praising Azuka. She know the truth because some of people tell she I never sent all those audio to her. I didn't. She once was saying send me the audio. I didn't want to do that. That is not the way I do things. So she was talking about Azuka, talking about now she's coming back now. She was started praising Azuka, honorable Wanyoman Kanka. What happened now? The same Azuka now has become the devil, has become a saboteur. She's not calling Azuka Chasuwanko a saboteur. What a word. Our people are terrible. Our people, oh my God. I have never seen people like our people. So confused. They don't know what to believe. They don't know what their stand. If you stand on your behalf of integrity, stop being a chameleon. That woman is a chameleon. That woman, call her daddy or Alujo, is a chameleon. I am telling you all this. Whether she like it, I don't care. If she likes, let her bring my video and start talking about me because that is what she does. And she has all these followers, all these people that are listening to those trash she's talking about there, thinking that she's saying the truth. She's telling lies, all lies. If she can come out and tell lies that I have gone to a herbalist, I don't know whether she's the one that took me to Ndidibia, whether me and her went there. I don't know. Did she bring me to the place? Did she took me to the place? I don't know. All they do is to blackmail people, say lies that cannot even say the common truth. Me, if you ask, I will say everything I said here. If you ask me to come and say, if I said it, I will say I said it. If it's the one I said it. If it's the one I will apologize, I apologize. I will not come here. There's somebody that called whatever Ekwesu on Facebook. He was trying to say something wrong about Simon, that Simon did. I put something post and the people that died, family that died in Imo State, that the man hand was cut and he was using one hand to drive, and so because of that, due to bad road, the man died due to the traffic, the Nigeria thing. The man died on the process. So I saw his post, and he's from DOS, I believe he is. So he now put something, and he's not blaming Simon. I said, no, how? You don't blame Simon for this. Though I'm not a supporter of Simon, but you have to say the truth. You don't come and lie on somebody. You don't blame Simon for the man that is driving with one hand and saying it's because of the seat at home. How can it be because of the seat at home? The man was driving with one hand with his family. He has hand disfigured. So he was using one hand to drive and have his wife and the two children on the bike. And this accident happened due to bad road, bad Nigeria, bad road. And accident happened. He died, and the family and the children died, and husband died. It's not Simon's fault. I will never, because me and him, or that I don't support him. Then if I see something he didn't do, I will say he did it. I'm not like that. Or the DOS, if I see something they did, I said, no, I'm not like that. I will always stand and say the truth. I don't care. That is who I am. I will tell them the truth, how it happened. I don't care. I am not here to energize anybody. I'm here to tell you that this thing you are doing, if it's the one I'm going to criticize, I will criticize you. After all, criticism is allowed. If I don't criticize you, how are we going to all of us be praising you all the time? Never. We can't be praising you when we see that you're not doing things right. We can't be clapping for you. It's very wrong. There are people that are out to criticize and say, you have to put it right. You have to do it right. Everybody cannot be praising Simon. I can't praise him when I notice he's not doing something right. I can't do that. So if I criticize him, if you don't like it, go and hit your head. I don't care. This is who I am. I'm going to do what I'm here to do. Do you understand me? So that is how things are supposed to be done. I am not part of autopilot. I am not DOS. I am not anywhere. I am just now, and I'm happy I am on my own. I am not in accountability. So don't say accountability, Madam. I'm not accountability. I am not autopilot. I am not DOS. I am just a freedom fighter. I love my people. I fight for freedom the way I want. Anyone that is doing what they are doing, and I see they are doing okay, I will support. I will support. I'm not here for anybody to cage me. I don't want all people to cage me and say, I must be here, I must be here. No, I don't want. I've tried. It doesn't work. So the best thing is for me, if I see you and they are doing what is nice, I will support you. I will support what I can support for. I will support you. Yeah? What is all this all about? Why are we this way? When we are telling those people that are saying that God called them to be leading us or whatever, when you tell them that what they are doing is wrong, they don't want to listen. They don't want to take advices. They don't want to listen and say, okay, let me listen to what this person is saying. What this person is saying maybe makes sense. No, pride is very wrong. Pride, so much pride is very wrong. Why is it like that? Today now, what happened between Simon and Azuka? I hope Azuka did. Oh my this thing. I hope Azuka did give, like, before they change account, he now gave you guys account statement and everything, because she didn't want to do it to us. I hope she did it. I'm not sure she will. What kind of people is this? What kind of people is this? You are leading people. You are leading people, are leading them to become zombies. And people will not have right, will not say things. People will not ask you questions. People will not say anything. If they do, you tag them that they have become sabos. They have become they hate the freedom. They don't like this freedom. They don't want us to get our freedom. Who says so? Who did say so? That is very wrong. Very, very wrong. What have come over us? Why we become the way we are? We praise and praise and praise and praise people. At the end, we now find out that what they are doing is wrong. Look at it. Look at where we are praising Azuka Charles one for praising her like what? Praising her, even when they find out that this is what she did wrong, that her husband is in the account, and Azuka is refusing to give money to ESN and everything. They are still praising her. They are still clapping for her. They are still calling her, oh my God, honorable, whatever, licking her nuts, are saying all manner of things. Even when all these things are happening, they don't even want to think and say, maybe this is what this woman is doing is wrong. They are still praising her. Now what happened? Even Simon will say he has mirror to see who is he seeing with the mirror. I saw a post, somebody was advising him about somebody else again. He said he doesn't have website, that don't advise me. I have DB, I have who's praying, I have this one, I have that one. I say the same arrogance, the same pride, the same thing. He can't just calm down, listen, and take it easy. And then, tread with caution. That is how it's supposed to be. Tread with caution. He doesn't want. He just started saying, I have mirror, I can see whatever. What are you seeing? Which mirror do you even have? So how many people are you seeing? I didn't see all the whole thing. In the time of Nelly, they shouted at you, telling you all the whole thing, saying this. You didn't want to listen. If not we, Uma, that came and help you in the case of Nelly, you should have been the same. Azuka started. We started very well. And then we begin to see something wrong. We begin to see there's a lot of things that is not supposed to be. And we started saying about it, talking about it. This is wrong. Fix it right. Do something about it. No, doesn't want to. No, you said something. No, what is it all about? Are you even with it? Or I don't know. I am tired of all these people that cannot even take advice. So I am not in any group any longer. I don't want to be. Anybody that tells me go back to Sam, please, I don't want. I am not going to be attacking. I'm not attacking him. I'm only criticizing him because I'm allowed to criticize. So let him, whatever they are doing, I wish him well. I wish all of them. The time I was angry has passed because I took a chance one for my God. I prayed. I said, God, if I am innocent, vindicate me. If I am innocent, vindicate me, because I never take anybody's money in this struggle. I was even the one putting all my money. If I'm innocent, vindicate me. But if I am not, okay. I was waiting and waiting patiently that one day the truth will come out. Is it not out now? The people that know how to set up things, this was what I was crying for. Put up bodies, set up things so that everybody knows their department, knows what they are supposed to be doing. Their finance department, their account department, this department, everybody knows what they are doing. If there's grievances department, they will have a grievances department. They will have all these things. You cannot, Azuka just one will not be the one managing everything. If there is issue, she will be the one to go there and talk and give order and command everybody. It's very wrong. We are treating people as if they are, because they come for this freedom, you don't listen to them. You treat them anyhow because they're fighting for freedom. It's very wrong. And I was saying all these things then. So what happened? Someone didn't want to listen. Azuka, they said power of juju or whatever. I don't know. Which kind of power of juju? Somebody that will never believe that there is power that is controlling him. How can he be power of juju then? He never believed there's power controlling him. Then do the things right, he won't do it right. Fix things right, he won't fix it right. He was there defending Azuka. And that ugly soul of woman will come out and be shout, okay, shout, telling him to be doing this, tell if this, tell if that, he'll be doing it. You say I'm a troublesome person. I'm not trouble. I don't make trouble. If you make trouble for me, I'll give you trouble. I don't make trouble. Don't ever look for my trouble. That is me who I am. And when case you separately. Somebody okay, separately. Okay, look at if you find me trouble, hey, you're in trouble. Don't find my trouble. You are finding my trouble. If I cry to my God, he answers. Once I know I didn't do you any harm, once I know I didn't offend you. Eh? What is all this all about? That stupid Azuka Chaswanko. Look at that woman, that Arewa. Oh, I thought Arewa will never leave Azuka Chaswanko. I thought Arewa will never leave Azuka Chaswanko. Because Erewa is Azuka Chaswanko bag. I was surprised hearing that the Azuka Chaswanko gave Erewa suspension. It's from this Adadora mother. I was hearing this one now. I was listening to her program. I listened, somebody forwarded me the program and I listened. It was Azuka Chaswanko that even gave Erewa. Erewa said never anywhere Azuka is going, she will be there. That Erewa. And she was the one calling me all manner of name. Saying, oh, my, if he is that, if he that, are you not ashamed? Now, everyone, how come you have left Azuka Chaswanko then? How come you've left Azuka Chaswanko? You were saying that anywhere Azuka is, you will be there. You cannot leave Azuka. Azuka is doing whatever. How come you have left Azuka? Because you were in their referendum convention, and Azuka was not there. And that one called blessing, the same thing. Blessing, that one, God have mercy. I pity all of you now. You guys should be very careful with that one, because everything you guys are doing, she will be giving it to Azuka Chaswanko. She'll be telling it to her at the back. That one is a destroyer. That one in Ireland, she went and concocted all lies. At the end, what happened? Don't fight me, oh. Onye obuna noro, make una mind on herself. Make una just mind your business and leave me alone. For Adadorama will get her own punishment. I am saying it here. Unless Adadorama apologize, because I never did all those rubbish. She came out and start lying against me because Azuka told her to come and start fighting Ifi. Adadorama came out and started saying me that I went to herbalist to go and do whatever with Caterpillar. Me with Caterpillar. For what? Why will I do such a thing? I'm also concording to go and be killing which people? Me, kill my people. What kind of rubbish lies, Adadorama? Adadorama, I'm telling you, you will pay for this. You will. That ibukwa onye ihe na enwekwa onye Chineke and onye dị important n'anya Chineke. I am telling you now. I am abukwa watching and wrong. God fight my battle for me. Once I cried, because that day you lied all those lies against me. I went in and I said, God, you know I never did anything that this woman is lying against me. Why are you guys doing saga? What is all this saga all about? If you want to say something, say the fact, say the truth now. Can you the saga? Is this how struggle is done? Saga, lying, blackmailing. Look at Gaddafi. He blackmailed me. For me, asking him for my money, my own money that I gave him, he said he's going to give me back. He started bringing out one whatever that happened. I was even trying to help the people that this thing happened to. And I said to him, what are we going to do about it? How do we help these people? This Gaddafi now brought it out and started using it against me. I said, hey, and started saying all manner of lies against me. Gaddafi, where is your lie? Where are you today? At all. Don't offend people anyhow. Simon knows that me and other Umada and even other people that he called their names, all the Juliet and others. Nobody, we are all trying to say, Simon, if you are genuine and sincere to this struggle, do the right thing. You know the right thing? Azuka supposed not to be in the account. It's not ethic at all. Azuka husband supposed not to be in the account. It's not ethic at all. Do the right thing. We are all saying, even the meeting they called that day was for Simon to come, because people are complaining. Does it mean he doesn't have the interest of our men at heart? that they are complaining, and Azuka will tell him that he did it and she did that, and it's all lies. Azuka is telling him lies instead of him to investigate it and find out. I told him, I said, have bodies that these people will be calling. I don't even want them to be calling me. Have bodies, have teams that people will lay their complaint. They will call and they will find out if what they are saying is true or lies. Investigate it. No. He didn't want to. Azuka doesn't want him to do it. Azuka was like, he put him under his armpit. Azuka is like, sometimes I say, does it mean Simon cannot even stand up and do something as a man? What is wrong with him? Yeah. I said, what is wrong with him? Can't he do something as a man and stop listening to all these lies Azuka is telling him? No, he didn't want to. He didn't do nothing. Then the next thing is, Madam Ife is giving trouble. Why am I giving trouble? So I'm not a zombie now. I can't be zombie now. I can't. I'm not carrying her, because I'm not carrying her. When here, unless man on the obi had the job, obi mad the whole job. Oh, yeah, the wicked guy. See, let's look at that one called Anayo. Anayo that was even angry with me. Anayo knew how we started, me and that one. Me and that one in South Africa, we are friends in this struggle. We know how we've been in this struggle for months, for years. That one now came out and started saying, hey, Madam Ife, they will deal with me. I stand up. You guys saw the day I stood up here and I removed my shoe and I said, God, if all these people are calling my name, if all this is they're doing, if I'm guilty or not, Father, fight my battle. You guys were here. I did it. Today, what happened to all of them? He called me which day. Madam Ife, I said, don't ever call me your sister again in this your life. I'm not your sister. Don't call me your sister again. I'm not your sister. What about all the things you guys did? Assuming I'm not that kind of person, that I'm not strong, and I know that I didn't do nothing wrong. Assuming I go into depression, okay? By now, you guys will not see me shining like this. You will see me either taking all this capsule and behaving somehow and be depressed. But you guys didn't give, because I got into depression. All the whole thing that month, Simon Kosro, Simon did allow this woman called Azuka to push him into doing all the evil thing, all this rubbish he did, coming out to be announcing my name for nothing. For what? Thank God for, no matter what, the Biafra government, thank God for them. They have said, Simon, you must listen to what we are saying. The thing, if he and all that woman that we are shouting at, we want to visit it. We want to know what is happening. We want to visit it. Enough. Thank God that he listened to them. And he told them to do what they want to do now. But that time, he doesn't want to do anything. Who are you to tell Simon that Azuka is? He will tell you, no, Madam Ife, Madam Azuka is, let's forget it. Let's forget it. He say, hey, Chineke, what are we forgetting, Biko? And is that how we are going to move forward and make this struggle? Azuka Chas caused so many men to go hungry and left the camp. Azuka Chas, this woman is evil. Many men left the camp because of Azuka Chas. ESN left because he can't feed them. What is she doing with the money they're giving her? She can't feed them. She refused to. If they call her, she will answer. Sometimes she will be so arrogant to them. She will talk to them anyhow. They don't even want to call her. They don't want to call her. So many of them left. Now they are looking for people to recruit. But people volunteered before to stay. Now so many of them have left. Because Azuka refused to do the needful, what he's supposed to do. She refused to do it. Will they continue to be there and hungry, be killing them? No. She refused to do what she's supposed to do. People that are fighting for freedom. When I came out and saying it, he said, Madam Ife in camera, this one in camera, her husband is in camera, this one in camera. I say, these people are so stupid. Their brain is stupid. Zombie. When you say no, think outside the box. Use your brain. No, you don't want to use your brain. Think. You don't want to think. No. You don't want to say, this woman, this thing she's crying for, it might be that she's right. She's saying the thing. They had the voice audio. They even had the audio where Azuka was shouting at their master, as their boy, calling Simon or with Erewa. They had all the voice. And still in the mumu, they were there praising that Azuka. Yeah? They have all the voice. And they had the voice message, they had the voice. They said, Madam, if you plan it, how could I plan that? Do I know that this is this they're going to say? Am I in their mind? Do I read mind? How do I know they're going to say all those things? And Simon will say, allow me to talk. They don't want me to say what I want to say. And Simon was really upset. What happened? Is that not for you guys to know that something is wrong somewhere? No, they don't want to. No. Because they don't want what happened nearly. They were so afraid that Simon will handle it. And at the right time, he will do it. He knows what he's doing. Asị ka m kwuru. Asị. Ọ na-anụ ihe. Doesn't listen. Chineke meele ya ebere. Asị m Chukwu nyere ha aka, nyere unu niile aka. Ma ndị DOS o, ma ndị autopilot o, ma ndị ọkatịkpe. Enweghị nke achọghịzi m ịnọ enigwu ya. Ka mụ nwa bụ ifi ifuru na nsi wee na-enweta ndụ m. I prefer it now. Whatever that we do under ọkara m mma, nwee peace, nwee sound mind than all this one. Unu anaghị mmadụ kwuo okwu, unu achụpụ ya. Mmadụ kwuo okwu gwa unu jụ na ajụjụ ọkwa ka DOS si mee. Na m jụrụ ha sị ya ka ihe Simon unu si na Simon agaghị broadcast na ọ dị ọnụ mmanụ maazị si ya broadcast ba. Ka ihe unu mere like that. Why? Ọ bụkwana Madam, if you are asking too much question, or ya leave. The same asak ya ma na asak ga. They can't stop me. Oh. You see me? That is who I am. I hate and I would like to ask him for you to explain though. And if you explain it well, I will understand and I'll be quiet. But in phone I will go to Simon was saying, Madam Ifi, leave that money. I say, okay, I've had you. There was time he was saying, I thought you say you will not talk about this account Azuka again. I said, okay, I won't talk about it again. I said, okay, I will talk about it again. Then do you know what happened? One day I said, hey, I was saying, this is not settled. How will I be quiet now? This thing is not settled yet. Simon doesn't want me to talk about it, but this thing is not settled. How can this woman husband be in this account? Azuka, Mwada, everyone that says anywhere Azuka go, he will follow. That means any money that Azuka and her husband remove, everyone will endorse it. Any money that Azuka and her husband remove, everyone will endorse it because everyone is in the account. Azubike is in the account. And Azubike is somebody who doesn't care anything, he doesn't. And everyone is somebody that told us that anywhere Azuka, anything Azuka is doing, he's going to endorse it, he's going to support it. So if Azuka say, I have taken 100,000, I'm giving ESN, it is okay, that is it. They will not ask question. Oh, where is the money going? Everyone will say, oh, Azuka will say, I have sent it. Everyone will say, okay, that is perfect, that is fine. I say, hey, Chineke, now how can I be quiet? This kind of thing happening. Even all those people in those media, I complained to them. Oh. I told them, I say, because I said, Madam, if you don't worry, don't talk about it. Let us keep going. I'm not them. I'm not them that be quiet. Maybe. And I may keep quiet too. I can't make keep quiet. I'm different. I'm made different. This is who I am. Welcome. Whether I like it or not, I can now sabi. This is how God created me. I will speak my mind. I will tell you that this thing you are doing is not. But more, I become somebody and I can support you to the end. This is who. If I see that you are doing right, and I will support you. Everybody in Nigeria, I may follow more sheepishly. I am so stupid. I'm not following sheepishly any longer. I change the go. I was that person before. I will follow you like that. Following the man code about you. I'm gonna follow you. I don't care. I'm gonna go. But if Hana na mafugo koni na mafugo ebe koni di. Hey, mba, nwezi. Afro mu koni ebe Simon uno. Koni furu ebe ono bu oge agwali ya the truth to see an ekwihe na eme no. Simon should have even sit up and do something about it. Didn't want to. You know, if you don't worry, he's just taking his time. I said, hey, taking his time. This is wrong now. If you don't talk about it, he's taking his time. He will fix it right at the right time. He fix it right. Now they are telling me, they tell you that time to be just take it to Simon will fix it right. He has fixed it. But do you know what it has cost you all? Cost at this struggle. Oh, you take your time. You need to damage chat. You need maybe see. You need maybe chat before or maybe or put the things right. What is wrong with you all? Madam, if you now, you see, we told you that time, don't talk about it. We told you that Simon will put it right. I said, please don't go there. Don't tell me. Don't tell me he will put it right. He's supposed to put it right when we notice something is very, very wrong. Oh, a lot of flaws that he noticed that these are flaws. He even himself noticed it. He noticed it. Even as look at Charles Nwankwo and the cryptocurrency, what was on her name? Account in Nigeria, she opened it with Chichi, was her name, on Azuka's name. I say, hey, Chineke akụkọ ka nkụ. So you na-eweta n'ego na-enye ya na-eri. Ọ na-eweta ego unu na-enye mwa achịkwa m stupid, no adị stupid wee na-enye ego. Ọ ga kwụsị ọ ga ha ntakim September ka nsị ka anyị na-emenụ kwa ahịa ribe ego ka anyị na-emenụ mgbe si na manazikwa enye na manazi enye. I'm not giving again. I don't give again. Those people will call me. I will people that will even call me say they want to give money. I won't even tell them anything. I'll say, bring, go give. I will take the money. I will send to them. I will take the money. I will put in the ESN www. something. I'll put it there. They say I make mistake. I made mistake once now. Everybody made mistake and they're using it. I say, she go put a different account number, www. That's when we started newly. I made a mistake. I gave somebody the wrong. It wasn't the. I was about to put www.usa. whatever. I put the different one. So when that man paid the money, I noticed he sent me the receipt. I noticed, hey, that was a mistake. I corrected it. I never did it again. Do you know that some of them in Ireland, they use it and say, she made a mistake. All of them that fought me, even in Ireland, where are they now? Make una mind your business and leave me alone. Muna achọkwala m okwu o, unu chọkwa m okwu ma chọkwa unu okwu. Ana aka m achọ okwu, onye chọkwa na mama chọkwara ya back 100%. Ọkwa struggle ka anyị nọ na ya. I'm not here to praise Simon or praise anybody. All of them now, they are praising Simon. They are now praising and praising Simon. Praise and hey, praise ya brain. Ya bakwe ya n'isi. Oya Simon no be here for freedom. Obo no be for freedom. They are now praising and praising, and our people know how to praise people. Why can't you let anybody that say they want to do so, let the person be doing it, and then when we say the freedom, then we can start praising the person? No, they don't want it. Let us get the freedom now. We are still in Nigeria suffering. Our people are still dying. Our people are still suffering. Why must we be praising and giving us some manner of what manner of name, different calling of names? Is that what we are here for? For the praise of human being. Human being couldn't praise as if that human being has become God. Is that person God? Is Simon now God to you all? So all the praises on Simon, what is the meaning of all this praising and calling Simon different names? Una happen ebe na Simon no ya be lolu we happen oluba olu aluchacha ya mgbe nwete freedom anyị nwete onwe anyị anyị tubeze name obulu na-enye Simon akpọba Simon akpọba ya mana na mba nke ha na-akpọ ya na osno obata obie nka dragon nka so many names so ofu onye kwuru na-akpọ afa niile unu abụtụkwa mmadụ unu nwekwara sense ndị Igbo so ofu onye ihe unu na-eme unu ya akwụsị ya unu akpọ nka unu akpọ onye nka unu akpọ onye nka unu akpọ ya nka afa niile a na-etu ofu onye ahụ bụ na Chukwu onye ahụ bụ Chineke Simon ọ bụ na God unu tu afa niile unu na-etukwa Chineke Chukwu bụ ọbata obie Simon abụ na ọbata obie God is ọbata obie so Simon na-abụ na ọbata obie ka ihe o megoro unu enwetago freedom unu no unu kakwa nọ na Nigeria unu ihe kwenu ka ọ bụrụ na Chineke unu asịna na Simon ga-abịa nwetara anyị freedom unu agbasịna nkịtị ka anyị nebe ya ka anyị na-asọpọtụ ya unu na-asọpọtụ ya na-asọpọtụ ya then unu nweta freedom mbọsị asị ha na unu eme na referendum gbam na unu abụọ na Nigeria afọ niile unu na-etu mmadụ na-etubi ya. Do you know there was a man that sang a song? I told him, I said, I don't want this song. I don't want. The man sang a song. I said, Madam, if you see your name, I said, I don't want. I'm not interested. I'm not interested. Don't sing for me. I don't want all this praise now. I don't want. This is not what we're here for. Our people are there dying. People are there being suffering. And all we do, to afa. Some people na about self. I'm me on about ya for. I'm me on about ya. Some on about na egwu ahụ ụmụnne gị na anwụsịsị ma ọ bụ na ifuru ụmụnne gị n'anya agbazini ya ụmụnne gị na anwụsịsị. Our people are suffering. It's I free. Do the work now. Do it so that I will be free. Then, after the whole thing, we all can come and be dancing and be singing and be praising and be lifting you up and be jumping and doing everything we can do. But this is not the time. When you talk, they say, you are jealous. You are this one. You are envy. I know I am not. I am telling you for the truth. Eziokwu ka anyị na-ekwu. Eziokwu. Na na-agwakwa n'ihe nke bụ eziokwu. Unu emezina ihe unu na-eme ọ. Ka unu ghara ịdị di ya stray. Unu emezina ihe unu na-eme. You see, you come yesterday, you are praying, now you say, I can see your pain, envy. Well, why would I be jealous of Simon? You see, Oluchi Okechukwu, you are very stupid now. To yesterday, you came and said something, and today you are telling me I'm envy and jealous of. I'm not envy and jealous of Simon. Never. He knows I'm not. So don't say I'm envy and jealous of him. I can never be envy and jealous of Simon. If he say he's here to fight for us to get freedom, let him do it, and do it honorable, and do it with respect, and do it understanding, and do it with justice, and do it right. I'm not envy of him. I wish everybody to succeed. I want us all to be free. This bondage we are in is not right. We are suffering in the hands of Nigeria. If he's here to do something, do the right thing. That is my concern. I'm not envy. I can't be envy of him. Never. Envy of him, how? Somebody that I first loved before. I loved him. I cherish him. I adore him. I was working with him for him to succeed. So don't tell me I am envy of him. No, I am telling you the truth. So we are here to say, I'm here to tell you the truth. I will criticize him because I have right to criticize. I'm not a zombie. If someone is not doing it right, I have right to criticize him. That is what it's all about. The criticism is welcome. It's any leadership that does not accept criticism. That person is not a good leader. A leader must accept people to criticize him so that he can sit up and do the right thing. Shut up. I'm not envy of Simon. Never. So I don't know how many minutes, 15 minutes passed. So that is what happened. Now today, Azuka's Charles Walker could not even, he's gone now. They have sacked him finally. They have removed all the posts. He's not defense minister, it's not finance minister, it's not whatever, nothing. What happened? Don't fight who has grace upon him. Don't fight the person. Can you tell what he's not doing right? Have I not said what he didn't do right? I said it now. I said what he did not do right. He did not put the things that he's supposed to put in place when we were telling him about Azuka Charles Nwankwo. He did not. He knew that Azuka Charles Nwankwo is not doing the right thing. He knew about it. He didn't do it right. He didn't. Me go to him to apologize for what? I am not going to go to. Have I not tell you now? I don't want to be in autopilot. I don't want to be in DOS. I don't want to be in accountability. I don't want to be in anywhere. I just want to. Now, if anybody is doing it, I will pray for them. God Almighty, please help Biafra to succeed, help them to succeed so that we can get freedom. If it's the one I know that I can support financially, I will support. But I don't want to be in any group any longer. You understand? I am not. So don't tell me I'll go to he has to apologize. Does it mean he is not a human being? So he is above everybody. So he cannot apologize to people that he offended. Did he not offend me? Did not offend people that he called him because of Azuka Charles Nwankwo when we are telling him what that ugly soul woman is doing. When we are telling him about what that ugly soul woman is doing, we told him to put things right. He didn't put things right. And for that woman was pushing him and pushing him and pushing him and pushing him to go and do what he did. And he came out and started announcing them. For what? Na gini ka ime? Na I got here kwesịrị ime. Ha tinye things in place. Kita azụ ha mebeghị ọfụma. As now, have they not done it right? Have they not removed Azuka from that account? Have they not removed Azuka's husband from that account? Have they not done it right now? This is what we cried that time. Do it right. No. Yeah? Now, have they not done it right? Did they do it right and we came out and we started talking about it? Did they do it right? No. So we are looking for something to be done right. That is how organization is run. Now, his Biafra government is now putting things right. They now have who is finance department. They now have this one. They now have this one. They now have this one. This was what I was crying for, that they should do. That one woman cannot come and take over everything and be in charge of defense and be in charge of finance and husband this and be in charge of everything. It's wrong. and be in charge of Umada and be in charge of who anywhere grievances. Azuka, anywhere they have problem, if the media has problem, Azuka will be the one to go. Everywhere she's there. And when I was saying this is wrong, you guys say I'm jealous of Azuka. Is that how organization is run and you get here and you get what you're looking for? No. Organization is not done like that. If you want to move forward, you have to put things in place so that you can move forward. It wasn't done. Because Azuka doesn't want him to do it. And he doesn't want to listen to anybody. But now he's listening to his Biafra government. Thank God that he's listening to them. Thank God that he has finally tell Azuka, no, whatever they said, this is what it's going to be. That is how things are supposed to be done. That's how things are supposed to be. But I know that time on here. So I have said my own. Oh, I am. Nobody tell me again to go back to your prime minister. Your prime minister, if he has, in short, let me tell him that I'm not happy. He knows I am not happy with him. I know he's watching me. He watched my program. I am not happy with Simon Eba because he's supposed to do what he's supposed to do. When he's supposed to do it, he didn't do it. And then Azuka Charles want to push him to come and start calling our name online and start saying me if he's trouble, we're making trouble. I am making trouble because he doesn't listen. So no, I won't stop criticizing. Criticism is allowed in a freedom fighter. I will not stop. If he did something, I have to criticize him for him not to do it because that is how it's done. We can't be zombie. We can't be Atoro. No, we can't be. No. Mazin the kind of self is welcome criticism. So we have to criticize Simon if he did something wrong. Mazin the kind of say he welcome criticism. So what is wrong if I criticize Simon? Our leader said criticism is allowed. Criticism is allowed. It makes a good leader to wake up and do the right thing. We can't be praising is very wrong. Very wrong. Praise Azuka Charles and the thing enter her head. You guys, we are praising her and it enter her head and then she become anything, nobody talk to her, nobody tell her anything. She become Odonga. Nobody, I am nobody. I also going if I will deal with you. If I will, Azuka, what happened now? Have they not feathered you away? Have they not feathered you away today? Since they went this time around, they have feathered you away. Your own is even worse feathered away. I know where you are now. You are crying. You are not shouting. As you normally do. As you normally shout on, shout Romoke. What a kidding torato. Azuka, what I even seen you. Why say that now? Anywhere I am, you. Where are you now? Why are you not where Azuka? Why will you go to here without Azuka? Why will you go to that convention in Finland without? I thought you said anywhere Azuka no need already. What happened? Why didn't you tell Azuka that you must be there? If you are not there, I'm not going to be there. Anyway, that old woman put her not on not rubbish on. Not was Simon small boy self. All honey net watch that small boy. All of them. Now them call him all manner of name. Yeah. Why would everyone not go? No. Why would everyone? Why are you going there now? You said you are not going to go anywhere. You are not going to anywhere Azuka on there. You die with Azuka. Why didn't you die with Azuka now? Why do you have to go to that place? That one or everybody and I say, Azuka just pretend, you don't know that she's dying inside. She's short, Only God will help her. Let her not go into depression. Let her not go. Because last time she said me if he push her to go into the hospital for depression. Let her not go into depression this time. Look at, remember you have children. I've said it to you last time. Don't go into depression. You see me? I didn't go to depression because I know I can't move the and I'm gonna when because I know I didn't do anything wrong. Because now she's dying in silence because she is dying in silence up at all day as a prime minister. Forget about what she's doing. So forget about it. I know Azuka well. She's just pretending. And now she'll be sending people to go and be fighting her battle at her back. She'll be paying them. That's what she does. She used me. Tell me to go and fight Didi Amaka Hanando to her. Tell me to go and fight. I beg them. I have told them everybody that I fought. Because make gonna forgive me. Forgive me. Now all the madam. Trust her now, madam. Trust who neje. Trust on neje until the only go see mukarata. I trust people like what? I am. I God have mercy. As that so you are not fighting Azuka. I thought you said Azuka is here this thing, is here this thing, is here this one, is here this one, and however, and that Azuka, and Kanka, Ebu as that's what so you are fighting Azuka now. You are fighting Azuka now, eh? Azuka now is not your enemy, but you are praising Azuka. Eh? You are praising and praising Azuka, praising and praising Azuka like what? Upon some of the things that woman praise ya na-eto ya because na unu achọghọ ka unu kpasuo Simon unu iwe onye Simon kpasuo iwe akpasuo ya sit up edidiri ọbụ everything na-eto Simon ka o mee nke na-adịghị mma agwa ya na agwa ya na ọ dịghị mma ya change ya ọka o kwesịrị ịdị. That is how a leader is supposed so that we can move forward. Onye ọbụla na-lead this struggle and you are leading us in a wrong direction, we have to tell you that what you are doing is wrong so that you sit up and lead us well. We cannot be praising people and then things are spoiling. If you are leading and you are not leading right, or you are making a mistake, or you are not getting it right, we have to point it at you. Point where you are doing it wrong so that all of us cannot be mumu. We cannot be mumu. Unayabu mumu, unayabu zombie, unayabu chi, unayabu aturo. Onye lead okay, so how can lead one day lead there into distortion. I need just distortion. When you hear there, I can't have Mexico. When you lead even mass not kind of put only lead the quiet, I say mass because I can't home. Esta moge mass na band madumba, not on the madi, not on the ask me a mass because I was not the madi in all the home, or see me if young we can go near. So what is wrong? Why can't we talk? I need to get a leader, take it on your open and lead only lead to the soil. I need to your nature. Mba ka unu etozi ihe unu eto ajọka jinu nwayọ na-eto mmadụ ka anyị banye na freedom, anyị banyezie anyị nweta onwe anyị na-ebuli Simon na-akwụyesila na-eme ya ihe ọbụla anyị eme ya ma ọkwa ndị ọbụla bụ ndị ma ndị na-eli di ma onye ọbụla na-eme nke ha na-eme anyị etobe onye ahụ. We praise the person now. Any mistake again? So I greet you all. You see the no ike Biafra Chukwu mere anyị ebere, our leader apụta Chukwu mere anyị ebere ka anyị nweta our freedom. Our people are suffering. They're suffering. Look, our people are suffering. I feel like, if there's anything we can do for us to be free nke tata na echi ka anyị na-eme ya eme. Mana ọ bụkwa everything na-apụta online na-asụtụ so na-ekwu nkwanụ secret nkwanụ nke unu na-agbasịkwanụ nkịtị unu ekwuzi niile online unu nwere ndị iro nọba n'ọgụ ọ bụghị niile unu na-apụta na ilo na-eme eke noise na-aba mba unu emezina ya reserve kwanụ unu som unu na-shout na-ekwu share. I have no time again. Asị m azụ kacha asị nwakwa akpago gị one side Gaddafi akpa anya one side ndị niile bụ ndị iro m ndị niile si na ife bụ ha problem ha ebe m na-agwa ha eziokwu ha si na ha Madam Ife is giving us trouble. I'm not giving her trouble. See that one where they call blessing. Now you would blessing the kiwi had. Or that one where they call blessing. That one as you can see it's all to you take you guys will be care. I'm not going to tell you guys whatever you like do. Because that one, that blessing. As a troublemaker that one. Big troublemaker. Okucho ona ekwezoku. Ọ na-etinye ọgbaghara everywhere. He's been working for under for Azuka chance one call. Like I tell you now, whether I like it, make una take, una like it, that's not my business. Make una do. All I know say, make una they do am with truth and honesty. Make una they do am they go. Make una they do now, truth and honesty. Not tell me again, no. That Simon don't know how. Simon oga ọbịa chụpụ anyị oge ahụ ọbịa chụpụ anyị o ji my number ọ na ha akpọbụ na phone ọ na ha asị Madam Ife kama na na-ekwu all the time mụ na-ekwukwa every now and then mụ na-ekwu okwu yes every now and then mụ na Simon talk oge ahụ Azụka chọrọ inye ya si abịa gịnị why oyi ha asị m Madam Ife please take it easy this that ma ọ ma apụta wee kwugo why oji m ya o meghie mma bịa na kpọrọ isi na nye ka o ji bụrụ Simon ya makpọrọ isi na nye ọ na ya nwetagoro freedom ọ nwetara anyị freedom unu mbịa dade si ha Simon abụ m onye Biafra ya na-asị m apụta ya nwetara unu freedom biko onye ọbụla ya nweta freedom nwetenu freedom na afọzikwa Madam Ife bata ebe a ma afọzikwa Madam Ife batara that freedom unu wetegodi ya ka anyị weta onwe anyị ka anyị dịgodi free n'aka ndị Naijiria ma afọzikwa Madam Ife bata ya ka ndị be anyị nweregodo onwe ha na ebe m nọ adị m oke ana m abatakwanụ akwa ka mbịa holiday nnọcha natakwere onwe m ọ bụ na Biafra dị ma anata mbịa nọrọzie na Biafra anyị mebenu Biafra anyị abụrụ ndị Biafra hapụ obodo oyibo na obodo oyibo anyị nọ sef ọ dụghara anyị izi so jisi n'ike ka onye na-eme ya mebe ma ọkwa mụ na Simon mụ na ana m eme ya atak ma na-agụ ya eziokwu ana m eme ya atak ma na-agụ ya eziokwu so like you hapụ Simon biko hapụ ya aka ya ma onwe ebe a chọọ m ya enweghị ihe m na-agụ ya ihe na-asị ya jisi ike nke ọ na-eme ya were obi ya na-eme ya ya werekwa eziokwu na-eme ya nakwa ya werekwa eziokwu na-elidi freedom a ọ bụkwa na ọ bụkwa ihe eziokwu ya lidi truth o protect ya azụ kachasị nwakwụ chụpụ naanị ya na mana azụ kachasị nwakwụ ọ na-afụ niile o mere ihe niile dị chacha wrong o mere and ọ fụrụ ya and ọ na-agba m ya azụ ka bịazi ọtụọrịa asị ọ na-ekwete azụ asị dị na azụ ka na-atụrụ ya bye bye no me I'm not I don't want to talk again. This is not okay. May God bless us. May God see us through. May God hear our cry. We all want freedom. We all want to go home. Onye ọbụla ma nke ọ na-eme ya jisi ike mebe mana na-emekwa na ya with truth. Unu egbusizi na ụmụnne unu. Stop killing your people. Unu egbusizi na ụmụnne unu biko nụ na ọ bụ unu egbusizi anyị nwezi ebe anyị na-eje. Onye ọbụla na-eme nke ọ na-eme ya ji eziokwu na-eme unu anụzina unu afightizina mebenụ nnọọ ihe ọbụla ya na-eme mebenụ Chineke ihe anyị chọrọ bụ freedom ka anyị nweta ya ha fire gonu ha nụ azụ ka fire esi na Gaddafi bụ ajọ mmadụ ezigbo ajọ mmadụ ka Gaddafi dị Gaddafi ya bịa hia bịa jụcha gị ihe o jee na azụ jee kọrọ azụ ka azụ o jere nke o were nke azụ ka bịa kọrọ m Gaddafi so kọsụcha problem ihe mere n'ụmụada that time Gaddafi so kọsụcha ya Gaddafi ifu dị ya ifu ka ọ dị azụgba ifu ọ bịa tụgide asị agwa m Simon be careful with Gaddafi agwara m ya ojije were Gaddafi nye prime minister na ọsụnọya mami o nyere Gaddafi ka enyi nke o nyere Gaddafi sef nsi hey nsi ya Simon pụta ebe ada dị si Simon so even after upon you know who Gaddafi is chekwa were this thing here on the government ya na-abịa na-agwaghịzi ya na Simon we have to do things like this, you have to do things like this o wee na-anụ wee na-ekwete before na-ekwete nke ọ chọrọ ime ka ọ ya maybe ha na-anyezi advice na-asị ya Simon no this has to be like this no ịchọ ka anyị move forward ịchọ ka anyị gaa forward ịchọ ka ihe mee ịchọ ka nke a mee nekwa ka esi mee nekwa ka esi mee before ọ na-anụ mba ọ naghị anụ azụ ka ejide ya n'ọrụ azụ ka ejide ya n'ọrụ aja efodi ya na aja ofewekwa ya aja efodi ya aja ofewekwa Simon aja efodi ya ebe azụ ka Charles Nwankwo nọ azụ ka o wepụ n'onwe ya n'ebe azụ ka ahapụ na ọba bekwa aka Ngozi Ọrabeze na control ka Chineke mere ụlọ ebere edozighị ekwu biko bye nọ isi n'ike anya ka anyị nọ na-ene anya ihe anyị chọrọ bụ ka anyị nweta obi Biafra onye ọbụla jebe na-eme ihe na-eme with truth and honesty. That is all we pray for. May God bless you all. You go take care. Then take care. Mana adadoro matoba asino. Itogide asino atuso asị pụta asị Biafra. I know I'm telling the truth. You are a liar. Ezigbo onye asị ka nke about that door amabụ. You know asị Biafra. Yeah, and I know I'm telling the truth. I am not lying. Igbo ezigbo onye asị nwụọ ihe na ha asị gị too terrible at that door ama. Ada dị ọrụ njọ ezigbo onye asị ka ịbụ ị na-atụ ncha na asị gị ọ dị terrible too much onye ọbụla ngwa ha n'ụlọ na ọ na-atụ asị mana onye a na-atụ asị ọ na-atụ asị too much ọ naghị ekwu eziokwu ọ bụ na okwuo 5 ma na-atụ asị dị na 2 asị dị na nchọt okwuo 5 asị ọ na-atụ bụ asị dị na 3 2 bụ nke bụ eziokwu ka mmeri ebere ka nchọs mmeri ebere mana asị nwaanyị a na-atụ ọ na-atụ too much ebe ọ nọ ka ọ bụ tụgidere m asị na mụ jere ebe usoro na mụ so katapila je ebe dibia ọsọ gị ama m usoro anyị gbara anyị ọkụ adadọrọ ma did you lead us to the place? Did you follow us to the place? Ọ nọkwa ebe ahụ sị atụgide m asị ha tụgidere m adadọrọ mma na ndị kpọrọ one guy kpọrọ from Ireland wee tụba asị Chineke ọka ndị Biafra nke adị which kind saga ka unu na-eme dị If you are fighting, fight with the truth now. And as no mesaga. God, I never know. Makwa no mesaga na field mu nka Chineke kwanye ojo aga yakoma dey involved na saga. Fear. Abeg, make una go sleep. Na we make una go sleep una anugo afọ m unu n'anya enwe onye mkpọrọ asị ihe na-ekwu bụ ka ihe gaa afọ udo ka anyị nweta onwe anyị nugonu Chineke na mere anyị ebere ka Maazị Nnamdi Kanu wee pụta. Chukwu na biko nụrụ akwa anyị ka o si n'aka ndị iro pụta ka o nweta onwe ya. Ihe niile ha na-eme n'isi ya ka ọ ghara ịga ha. Chineke na ọ ga-adị ndụ, ọ ga-adịrị ya na mma n'ihi na ihe ọ chọrọ bụ ọdịmma n'ụmụ Igbo. Ọdịmma anyị ka ọ chọrọ onweghị ihe ọzọ ihe ọ bịara ka ụmụnne ya nwere onwe ha. Ọ fụrụ anyị n'anya wee were onwe ya wee nye ka wee zie ozi ọma o ziri. Maazị Nnamdi Kanu bụ onye ozi ọma o ziri anyị ozi wee mepecha anyị niile anya anyị wee mara na ihe anyị wee mara ndị anyị bụ. So Chukwu biko nọnyere ya gosikwa na aka ha pụta onye ọbụla. All the people that is fighting for this struggle, genuinely fighting, those that are fighting underground, that they don't come out, they don't want people to know what they are doing, how they, many people are fighting on this struggle underground. God, may you protect them. God, it shall be well with them. I say, God, may you strengthen them. You give them the grace, wisdom, because we need to go. We need to be free people. Look at what is happening. Look at what is happening to our people in Nigeria. Look at how they are suffering. Look at how they are treating them. Their eye don't open. When we are saying to them that they will not give them this thing, they don't want to listen. And that's not how you get caught. What thing happen now? We're on a Supreme Court. It don't end for nothing. Now don't go Supreme Court. What happened? If all you guys will just come up and everybody do what you know you can do for us to be free. We must not be in one group. We must not be in one this thing. We are the freedom are fighting different. People have different groups. They are fighting for freedom. People in different groups are fighting for freedom. So they are all fighting for freedoms, and you can be in different group fighting. All we want is at the end, let us be free. At the end, we fight with justice, fight with truth, fight with equity, fight with fairness. Fight the freedom that you are fighting with truth and honesty. Then, Chineke mere anyị ebere ka anyị si n'aka ndị Nigeria pụọ, because we are suffering a lot. Hapụnụ ndị US ka ha sị na ha na-eme, ọ dị nke ha na-eme ha mebenụ, ọ dị nke ha nọ na-eme. Chineke ha na Chukwu ha mara onwe ha. Ha mebe ha ka na-eme ihe ha sị na ha na-eme underground, ka ha hapụnụ ha mebe underground ha. Whatever they say they are doing, let them be doing. Someone focus their own. Onye ọbụla focus ụna agwazina hapụ ha. Asị na ha na fight ba. At the end ihe anyị niile chọkwa freedom. Only God knows who is who. Sọsọ Chukwu ma onye bụ eziokwu. Ihe anyị fụ n'anya ka anyị na-eji ekwu. So make una leave them. If they say they are fighting, they are doing whatever is they are doing, let them be doing. There are other groups that are fighting for freedom. It's not only autopilot. There are other groups that are also into freedom fighting. They are also doing a lot. They are also showing action to the Nigeria. Everybody is doing what they are doing. It's not only Simon is doing it. But the only thing we have to all that is it. I wouldn't want I free. God bless you all. I love you all. I don't wish anybody evil. All I wish for, even when I was an autopilot, is for us to move forward, for the struggle to move forward, for us to get things right. But as it happened, so I left them and I'm not going back. I'm not against Simon. Let him do what he knows he can do to get freedom. If he say he's going to get us freedom, let him do it genuinely. That's all I pray for. God bless you all. Take care. I love you all. God bless you all. All hail Biafra. All hail Biafra. The land of the rising sun shall rise again. It shall rise again, whether the devil like it or not. Ogechukwu ka mma. Mgbe Ogechukwu ruru, akwa mgbochi ga-egbu. Ihe anyị chọrọ anyị ga-enweta ya. I love you all. Thank you. God bless. Bye.